It's chilly outside today. Checkpoint. Another commute to work today. I'm gonna take my time. It's real chilly out today. So that means any little water that was on the ground will have frozen. Of course, commuting to work on the checkpoint. Let's see, what should we talk about today? What have I done recently? Well, so, believe it or not, I'm 18, I'm almost 19, turned 19 in about 2 months in April, and I still don't have my driver's license. It was actually just a few days ago, today's Friday, it was on Wednesday, I got my learner's permit. It's just having the bike and not having really anywhere to go, for me, meant not too much of a point to have a car. I've got plenty of warm riding kit. It's really the wet weather stuff that I gotta worry about the most, because I don't have a good rain jacket. I've got waterproof shoes, wearing those right now because they're also very warm. But yeah, so very, very soon, I think it's about 3 months, I need to have my learner's permit, get a certain number of hours in and driving. One of my buddies at work, one of the shop techs, he rides his bike into work every day, quite similar to me. And so I told him, hey, I'm going for my learner's permit real soon. He's like, oh, you better not stop riding your bike into work. I was like, don't worry, I won't. I don't want to pay for gas. And then he told me, you know, when I first started driving, I thought the same thing, but then driving was just so easy. And then I was like, oh, I'm spending a lot on gas when I could just ride the bike in. So hopefully I'll stick to riding, because this year I want to do 3,000 miles. That's not a whole lot of miles compared to what a lot of other riders do, but it is a whole lot for me, because last year, well, 2020, I did 2,000 miles. Really, my goal was hit 2020. I ended up doing, I don't know, 2,100 miles. I think riding my bike every day to work is gonna help out massively. I just have to not break my clavicle again. On my broken clavicle, it's only around about a month till I'm fully cleared, which is exciting. I can do some more road racing, if it's all, you know, COVID lets us do that. And I can actually do some real mountain biking, which is something I've been missing a whole lot. Hey, green light, stay green, stay green. Getting the drops. Woo! So, if you guys are liking these videos and would love to see more, I'd love to know. So feel free, give this video a like, drop in the comments if you want to see me ride my favorite places to ride other than just the commute to work. And once it gets nice weather out, I'll also start riding my race bike, the Trek Amanda ALR with the mostly Dura Race group set. Yeah, Dura Race mechanical, not electric. I've heard rumors that the new Dura Race group set is gonna be wireless, which would be pretty sweet. Not that I'll ever be able to afford Dura Race Di2. I hope the wind muffs, the dead cats on the GoPro, are working real well, because we had a whole lot of wind there. Green light, protected left, awesome. Down the sidewalk. Couple little patches of ice on here. Nothing too much to be worried about. Just don't want to be turning when you're on them. It's easy to go straight on a patch of ice, but as soon as you start to turn, that's when you run into problems. Lap button. Let's see how fast I can do it. Well, won't be able to go super fast because it's a little snowy and icy down there. Right on the turn too, we love that. And lap 120, not too bad. I'll have to make a Strava segment there. Ooh. Okay. Let's shoulder check, make sure no one's coming. Perfect. Green. Body rock. So through all of my winter commuting, I've been measuring my chain wear pretty closely, or monitoring it pretty closely. And I think once the spring riding season comes around, definitely gonna have to replace the chain and probably most of the shift cables on my bike as well. Just because with all this riding in the salt and grime, it's put a hurting on my chain. I'll probably need to do the small chain ring, possibly my cassette as well, since that'll be my third chain through that cassette. I had to replace my large chain ring a little while ago because I had a huge creak coming from my chain set area. I thought it was my bottom bracket. Replaced that. It didn't fix it at all. And then I checked all my chainring bolts and should have done that first. But one was super, super loose. And I tried to tighten it and it just kept spinning and spinning. And so I managed to pull it out. And the female end of the nut that's integrated into the large chain ring on the Shimano 105 chain rings was completely stripped out. So fortunately they were in stock. I nabbed a new one and the creak is gone. Didn't have to buy the bottom bracket, but now I've got an extra just in case. Today's Friday. All right. Hey, protected left again. We love those. And we made it without getting run over. Holy. Dang it. Come on. fender. Ah. Gutter's there. A little bit of ice hanging off. I don't think that's exactly what we want. Well, I'm sure it's not great. Ooh, look at that. Holy cow. Yeah, that's not great.